Hello and welcome to Française Promenade and welcome to the laboratory. I think that if you've been watching my videos since the beginning, that you may have realized that I don't really know how to learn French. And the thing is that I used to be this person who thought that you could learn everything from YouTube. And then I was also this person who thought maybe I could learn from Instagram. I thought maybe I could learn from some textbook. And the question is, like, how is it that I can get myself to learn? This has been a difficult question to face. I've literally been talking to a tutor for the last 7 months, and I still can't speak French. The process that I've chosen in order to learn French has 3 elements. It has the element of product development, where I'm trying to create an actual product or a process in order to learn. Then I'm also having to use that product, so then there's the actual learning of French. And finally, the third section is this thing here where I'm sharing my progress with you on YouTube. I think that the sharing the progress is probably the easiest part. And in fact, maybe that's the key, right? Because the positive progress toward a goal, when I share my experiences as I am working along this process, gives me positive energy. Sharing my experience on YouTube is a positive experience for me. The difficult experience is like the actual, so I follow a whole bunch of different Instagram accounts and they have flashcards, they have like a post, and the post, it has audio and it has text, and so you can learn words using Instagram. That's true. But it doesn't matter if we talk about the Russian language, where I'm a B1 learner, or French, where I'm an A1 learner. I don't feel like I'm making real progress with either of those languages using Instagram. And I think that maybe it has to do with, you have to have a very clear map, a roadmap. And those posts are more like a shotgun approach. Here's some ideas from over here in this topic, and here are some ideas from over here in that topic. And so we're hitting all these different topics, but what's the glue that holds them all together? And then YouTube, it's good. Like, I've seen a lot of good videos for how to start learning French for beginners, and also some basic vocabulary for beginners. But in general, those things lack context. There's no story. There's nothing to bring me back and to follow along through some kind of learning experience. It's just hard vocabulary. And I've been thinking about, what's that one app that everybody seems to like? If you think about Duolingo, then Duolingo, it's like, yeah, it's okay. So it gives you sentences, it gives you vocabulary, then you put those sentences into vocabulary, and then you repeat. And it also has some other types of psychological tricks to help you to come back and keep studying. So then why am I here? Like, why am I saying that I can put a new product on the market? Well, because like, I haven't been satisfied with those products. It hasn't helped me to learn French. The issue here, why is it that I can't put in the effort in order to learn French? And I feel like if I can solve this problem for myself, then maybe I can also solve the problem for some other people. The question is like, what is the audience that I'm trying to reach here? Well, that's a good question. So I'm just going to keep on moving forward, and let's see if we can find an answer to these 2 essential questions. Why am I here? And where am I going?